there's no replay comment section of this live after I finish. So I can visit your live. Sir Wisdom, I'm back with Leia. Oh, that's good. Sir Wisdom, congratulations, Sir Wisdom. Sir Wisdom, congratulations. That's good news for me, Sir Wisdom. That's good news, Sir Wisdom. Congratulations to both of you. Fine. Sir Wisdom, can you please leave a comment to this live so that I can visit your channel? Because when I check my live, there's no comment section. I don't know why. Maybe I need to check my settings first. So we go back home, sir? Okay. I do love her. Yes, of course. You love her. I think she looks good. She looks good, and she is a kind person. Yes, Sir Wisdom, thank you so much. Sir Wisdom, I have got 44 minutes. Then I will end my live stream. Thank you so much for the people million in the house. Yeah, Lods Mami magano ka Lods Mami ng comments mo sa live na to para mabalikan kita. Yan, so pauwi na kami, guys. I go leave comments. Don't worry, I'll be doing it for you all the time now. Thank you so much, Sir Wisdom. So we go back home now. Guys, please support and connect to other guys. Still watching, sis. Thank you so much, Mami. Mami Isa. And Isa Akda. Dito tayo sa front para ano. Ayan, 11 minutes na lang. 40, 50. 12 minutes na lang, mag-end na ako. So, 1 hour ko lang siya. Thanks, Lord's Wisdom, for Mami Isa. Thank you, Sisi. You're welcome, Mami Isa. Yan, support you. Thank you so much, Sir Wisdom. Please support and connect to other guys. Mami Isa, mag-iwan ka ng bakas mo dito sa comments sa live ko para mabalikan kita. Lakas yung comment section to eh. Pag nag-replay ako, dan na ako dikit sa'yo, Lord's Wisdom, for Mami Isa.